Welcome guys to doing another video. I'm here by my cousins and my family's house. Guys, yesterday was my cousin's birthday, and if you guys want me to shout out, just go to the comments and say shout out. And since I'm love to my cousin Iman, she turned 15. We couldn't come here because you know how it is. My father was my mother was working late, so we couldn't come. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and Nola and Qadir to see how my life is every day. And I'm here on the trampoline, so stay tuned because you're gonna see awesome videos coming soon. Peace out.